Have you ever wondered how bees make honey? First of all, honey is made from the nectar and pollen of plants. When bees visit a plant to collect nectar and pollen, they store it in a special part of their bodies called the honey stomach. The honey stomach is separate from the bee's regular stomach, which is used for digestion. The bee uses enzymes in the honey stomach to start breaking down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. These are the same sugars that are found in table sugar. Once the nectar has been broken down into these simple sugars, the bees are able to absorb them through the walls of the honey stomach and back into their bodies where they can be used as energy. The leftover liquid in the honey stomach is then transferred to the bees' hive mates, which are located on the surface of the honeycomb. Here, the liquid is further processed by other bees until it becomes thick and syrupy. This process of turning liquid nectar into thick honey is helped along by enzymes from the bees, saliva, as well as acids produced by bacteria that live on the honeycomb. The water content of the nectar is also reduced during this process, which helps to preserve the honey and prevent it from spoiling. Once the honey has reached the right consistency, the bees will seal the honeycomb cells with beeswax. This helps to keep the honey fresh and also prevents other insects and animals from getting into it. Bees will store the honey in the hive for later use during the winter months, when they are unable to collect more nectar and pollen. For bees, honey is an important source of energy, and it can make up a significant portion of their diet. During times of the year when there is little or no nectar and pollen available, now that you know how honey is made, do you think you'll start eating more of it? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. We've got lots of fun science videos coming up, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss out on all the fun. Now, if you want to learn even more about honeybees, I have a special treat for you. It's a virtual honeybee hive from a company called Real Life Science. It's not just a model, though. It's a real live hive with real live honeybees. You get to see the bees buzzing around inside the hive and the different parts of the hive, like the honeycomb where the bees store their honey. But it's not just for looking at. It's also a learning tool. The website has a lot of information about honeybees, including their life cycle, their behavior, and the different parts of their hive. So if you're interested in learning more about honeybees, definitely check out the website. But for now, it's time to move on to our next question. This one comes from a viewer. She asks, how do bees know when the hive is being attacked? Good question. Bees can detect threats to their hive in several ways. They have very good eyesight and can see potential predators approaching the hive. They also have a keen sense of smell and can detect the scent of predators, such as bears or ants, from a long way off. In addition, bees have a sophisticated communication system that allows them to warn each other of danger. When a bee detects a threat, it will release a pheromone called isopentyl acetate into the air. This is like a chemical alarm signal that tells the other bees in the hive to get ready to defend it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of other fun science videos coming up that you not want to miss.